friends, our next topic is role of judiciary. So, this role of judiciary, what it implies. Now we will study about the role, how it is. Like we have studied about the functions, we have studied about the formations. Now let's see what is the role of judiciary under the constitution. How judiciary protects everybody's right, everybody's fundamental duties. So let us see. So in this rule of law implies that all individuals, rich and poor, men and women, forwarded or backward caste, are subject to the same law. We can say that we have also, like earlier, also studied the same thing. Like under the eyes of the constitution, everybody is equal. Even Mahatma Gandhi had gave one phrase in the constitution, like he want to see each and every person equally treated. There should be no law for the there should be no space for the untouchability. So here also, what judiciary do? Judiciary gives you the element, gives you something which can be good, in sort of like there should be no rich or poor, there should be no backward or upward classes like SC STs, upward classes like general classes. So everybody is equal. If a law is for a rich person, the same law implies for the poor person also. If a law is for the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, backward classes, then the same law implies to the general classes as well. But even in constitution, there are certain laws which are for the backward classes, just because to protect them, to uplift them, to make them comfortable in the society. Being like if there will be nobody to protect the law, अगर कोई नहीं होगा कानून की रक्षा करने के लिए, then nobody will know किसके साथ क्या गलत हो रहा है, क्या बैकवर्ड क्लासेस को वो प्रोटेक्शन, वो अपलिफ्टमेंट मिल रहा है नहीं मिल रहा है, या फिर जो राइट्स हमें मिले हुए हैं एज एन इंडिविजुअल, लाइक फंडामेंटल राइट्स वी हैव राइट टू स्पीक, वी हैव राइट टू लिव, वी हैव राइट टू प्रीच आवर ओन रिलीजन। तो क्या उन लॉज की, उन कानून की कोई अवहेलना तो नहीं कर रहा है? सो द रोल ऑल्सो इंश्योर्स दैट डेमोक्रेसी इज देयर, मीन्स everybody is democratic, everybody is free for expressing their own views, to follow the fundamental duties, to follow the directive principle, so that judiciary can perform its role very well and for the betterment of the country. So, judiciary protect rule of law and ensure supremacy of law. It safeguards rights of the individual, settle dispute in accordance with the law. Means judiciary basically it protects the law. It protects the supremacy of law. Means in his eyes, the law is supreme above all the things in this world. Reason being,